In today's corporate world, deadlines are tight and expectations are high. But what if the secret to hitting your targets isn't just about working harder, but about working smarter? The truth is, productivity begins in the mind. Our Mind Productivity Advantage program is designed specifically for professionals like you. We go beyond simple time management, focusing on key skills such as strategic focus, eliminate distractions and concentrate on what truly matters. Cognitive agility, think faster and adapt to new challenges. With ease. Purpose-driven action, connect your daily tasks to your long-term career goals. This isn't about working more hours. It's about achieving more with less stress. If you're ready to unlock your team's full potential and drive better results, let's talk. Visit our website to schedule a consultation and discover how Mind Productivity can transform your business.
Want to excel your business? For more niche-based content like this, connect with us. I am Master Nilofer, founder CEO of School for Life and your service provider.